sweet eats of a churro KitKat bar. Got it for $1.71. My total bill was $4.30 from Seashore Mini Mart here in Richmond Beach, or I guess it was over in Richmond Beach, Shoreline, King County, Washington State, United States of America. Plant Earth, the original. And I paid with cash, and I got a Powerade Zero that I already drank. Here's what it looks like. Beautiful. 4 pieces. Break it down. And here I go. Eating the entire candy bar. Oh, it is sweeter. It's a subtler or more subtle churro flavor. The nougat is crispy, or wafer, I guess. Not nougat. Multiple wafers. Today is Friday, 7 March 2025. And I'm Tanis Leonhardi, she, her, hers of Seattle. Sweet Eatsin for this YouTube channel, currently named Tanis Leonhardi. Another KitKat product. I think this marks number 17. As in the 17 videos I eat KitKat products. Be it talking about something else, or a standalone KitKat video like this one. You can see the KitKat kind of pressed in. And I am eating this after sunset today. It was good. It was somewhere between too subtle and too sweet. That's why I don't have a lot of like dulce de leche and stuff like that. As I'm like, my taste buds just don't know. I'm not Spanish, so my taste buds don't quite know what to do with it. It was very good, but not quite my taste. So I might go 13 out of 10. It was still good. Just not. I think there's a lot of people in this world who like churro more than me. Thank you for joining me.